This is the SNAP 2013 tutorial for the Supports Design Model tab. And this provides an interactive model. It's only available in the premium version. But this has some interesting features here, is that you can select an output such as the factor of safety and see can it find a design with the factor of safety of, well, say 1.5. We'll set it, well, we can just type it in too. And then it says yes, it can find that design down here in the model down here, and it tells you what parameters there are. And this is one of just many possible designs which can then be constrained. For example, we can say, can you find a factor of safety with a certain price, like a price of 300,000, which would be 0.3 million. And you just type it in, and it says, well, it can find yeah, it can find a design there about in that range. Gets a 1.52 with a price of 421,000. And another interesting thing you can do is you can see, is there a valid design at, say, a factor of safety of 1.3, or say 1.35, and it finds that. But we want to say, can you find a price that, what's the minimum price you can find for that range? So we can start at a large price, and it can find that, but as we go lower and lower, we can see the price of 588. Can go down to 400,000. And the lowest price it can find is 356,000. So it just gives you an idea of, if you reduce the factor of safety, you can see what difference in price could you find. And this is probably even can be explained better with a second law down here. So we'll put in a factor of safety of 1.35, and we'll see what kind of price that we can, what kind of minimum price we can find. And we can go down to 602,000, which happens to be the minimum price that that's in the range of what it searched for. So this gives you an idea there. Also, you can turn off these outputs and just select all of the inputs, and then you can see what kind of effect each variable has on the price and the factor of safety. So you can come in here and see, I can load the SNAP design, which is the optimum design, and then change the fan angle, and see that if I increase the fan angle, factor of safety is 1.46, then it goes down to 1.42 and climbs back up to 1.48. So you can kind of see that it's got an optimal fan angle at this particular SNAP design. And you can look and see the nail length will, you know, as we go up, it increases to 1.45. If we decrease it, it goes down to 1.28. So it kind of gives you an idea of how, of what effect a variable has on the factor of safety and on the price.